I know, it's been a minute, but let's get straight into the tutorial on how to take this classic 1B to this beautiful chocolate warm brown. First of all, you need to start with some high quality hair. Me, myself, I'm rocking with All-in-One Collection, information down below. What we're doing today is called a bleach bath. You need some bleach powder and some 40 volume developer. Also get some kind of plastic container or bucket. I'm just going for a chocolate brown. I'm not going super light, so I'm just gonna take 3 scoops of the powder and I'm gonna go ahead and pour in half of that bottle of that 40 volume developer. Mix that all together, and then once it's all mixed up, you're gonna go ahead and wet your wig. Just wet your wig, don't wash it. Then you're gonna put some hot water in that mixture that you just mixed up. Make sure you are wearing gloves because this is a chemical at the end of the day. Go ahead and mix it up and get all those clumps out as much as you can. Now you could go ahead and add your wig to your little concoction that you made. Dip it hard, y'all. Dip it hard. Get it all over everything. Open the wig up. Get in between, in the middle. Hold the wig upside down. Brush it. Everything. Make sure that solution is everywhere. Once you feel like it's everywhere, go ahead and let it sit for about 40 minutes. But keep on checking on it though if you do not have a higher quality hair. So after 40 minutes with my mixture, this should come up to a chocolate brown. Go ahead and take it out and wash it. Now when I say wash, I mean wash. Get that clarifying shampoo, neutralizing shampoo, whatever deep cleansing shampoo you have, and wash that thing. Make sure all that bleach liquid is out. After you're done shampooing it, do not condition it yet. We're not done. You might think that this looks good, but just in case, I do like to put another coat of the color that I was going for over it so that everything's even and it has a nice gloss over the hair. And today we're going to use the most common semi-permanent, which is Adore. And of course we're using the color Mocha. Now I'm kind of just putting the color on top and smoothing it all the way through. That's exactly what I do for my Mocha colors. I can't say the same for any other color that I do with the gloss. I'll probably do like the dip dye or actually do it on a mannequin and go section by section. But for this one, this is just my easy way of doing it, and it works every single time for me. So after I applied that, I let it sit for like 20 minutes. Then I came back and I rinsed it out, washed it out with shampoo, and I went back in with some conditioner this time, deep conditioner. I let that sit for another 25 minutes, and then I rinsed that out, and it was ready to air dry. When I wash or color my wigs, I always let it air dry 100%. I do not blow dry my wigs. That makes the hair super frizzy. That's not something that you really don't want to do. And this is how it looks completely air dry. Look at the shine, y'all. Like, this is why we air dry our wigs, okay? Because it comes out silky every single time. Now I absolutely love this color. It's a great color for the fall and winter time. By the time I upload this video, this unit is going to be on my website for pre-order. So you can order this unit from me. Whether you decide to do this yourself or order from All-in-One Collection, I hope this video helped you. And please, please don't forget to like and subscribe.